In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter reports by member in Hubstaff. If you need to narrow down a report so you can focus on one specific team member, Hubstaff makes that process pretty straightforward. Filtering by member is especially useful when you want to review individual time, activity, or time off data without getting distracted by the rest of the team. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to select so you can quickly find the information you need. To begin, open Hubstaff and go to the main navigation area. From there, click on Reports. This will take you to the reporting section, where you can access different types of data depending on what you want to review. If you're new to this area, just know that Reports is the place where Hubstaff organizes performance, time, and attendance-related information into a more readable format. Once you're in the Report section, the next step is to select the type of report you want to work with. This is important because the available data and filter options can vary depending on the report you choose. For example, some reports focus on tracked time and activity, while others may focus on payroll, op-ed attendance, or time off. Choose the report that matches the kind of information you're trying to analyze before moving on. After selecting your report type, look for the Filters option and click on it. This is where you can customize the report view to show only the data that matters to you. Filters help reduce clutter and make reports much easier to read, especially if you're working with a larger team or a wider date range. Inside the filter options, find the member field. Click on Member, then select the person whose data you want to view. Once selected, the report will update based on that individual, allowing you to focus on their information only. This can make it much easier to review performance, verify hours, or check time off balances for one person at a time. If your report doesn't seem to update right away, give it a moment and make sure the member selection is properly applied. It's also a good idea to double check that you selected the correct report type earlier, since that affects what you see after filtering. And that's it. That's how to filter reports by member in Hubstaff. Once you know where the Reports section and Filters panel are, this becomes a quick and easy way to get more targeted insights from your workspace.